Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll explain a very simple C++ program line by line. In just 3 minutes, you will fully understand how this code works to print a pattern using loops. Let's get into it. Therefore, we are going to print an asterisk. So let's start by include iostream, include iostream. That's the input output stream using name space std int. So int main rather. Int main. Therefore, we come to for. That's we are using a for loop. For int, we declare a variable. So int j is equal to 1. Therefore, j will be less than or equal to 5. J plus plus. For int I equals 1. I is less than or equal to 5. I plus plus. Therefore, we see out our I stars. See out end line. Let's run the code and see. No, we have to bring our return 0 here. Return 0. Let's run the code. Yes, our iSearch has been displayed on the screen. So let me use this feature. Let me use this to bring space into the iStorage. See. Let me run the code again. Yeah, our space has been created for us. So guys, this is how we use the for loop to create